Daily maintenance of the fiber fusion splicer. Prepare tools: alcohol, utility knife, bare fiber, brush, cotton swab, air blower. First, remove the dust on the surface of the machine. Note: during daily operation of the fiber fusion splicer, dust easily accumulates on the surface. Be sure to clean it in time to prevent dust from entering the machine and affecting normal operation. Gently sweep away dust with a cleaning brush. Use a dry cotton swab to rotate and wipe the lens. Use a dry cotton swab to wipe the wind cover fiber pressure pins. Use bare fiber to clean the V-groove from the center to both sides. You can also use a utility knife to clean the V-groove in one direction. Use a utility knife to gently scrape off the oxide on the electrode surface, taking care not to damage the needle tip. Use a dry cotton swab to wipe the fixture. Use a cleaning brush to sweep away the dust attached to the fiber cleaver. Use a dry cotton swab to wipe the fiber cleaver baffle and fiber pressing plate. Other mechanical fiber cleaver can also refer to this video for daily maintenance. Take out the waste fiber box and pour out the waste fiber. After cleaning, turn on the machine and do arc calibration through the APP.
Fibers moving. Fibers moving. Arc calibration in process. Please wait. Arc calibration in process. Please wait. Arc calibration succeed. Please restart the machine.
Please note that the machine has daily software updates and firmware upgrades. Please keep an eye on it and update it in time to ensure that the fiber fusion splicer is in the most advanced state. Learn to operate. There are some basic operating instructions. Language selection. There are 10 languages to choose from.